An Isle of Man company can offer many benefits. As an English-speaking jurisdiction, it has a fast and efficient companies registry. The Isle of Man is located in the Irish Sea. It's a self-governing territory under the protection of the British. The Isle of Man has good infrastructure and over 150 flights every week to the UK and Ireland. When you form an Isle of Man company, you'll be well placed to trade in the EU and the UK. The single biggest advantage is that there's no corporation tax for most companies. Other jurisdictions, including neighboring Ireland, have recently agreed to a minimum corporation tax of 15%. An Isle of Man company trading outside the jurisdiction will have zero corporate tax liability. Only banks and some retailers operating on the island are taxed at a rate of 10%. Many offshore jurisdictions can be slow to incorporate. Normally, incorporation of an Isle of Man company takes 2-3 days. It's possible to get a same-day incorporation when documents are submitted to the company's register before 2:30 p.m. The Isle of Man is a respected international jurisdiction for financial services. It's home to many international financial institutions. All the major UK banks have branches there. As an English-speaking jurisdiction, it's easy to deal with banks and agents for your business. Annual accounts don't have to be filed for an Isle of Man company. Accounting records do have to be maintained and kept at the registered office. These accounts are not available to the public. Dividends can be paid to individual and corporate shareholders without any withholding tax. There's no restriction on remitting the profits anywhere in the world. Banks on the island are part of the UK banking system. This means you can make instant payments from your company to an account in the UK. Major banks with branches in the Isle of Man include Santander, Barclays, HSBC and Lloyds. You should have no difficulty opening a bank account there. The only filing requirement for an Isle of Man company is an annual return. This must be filed once per year. It must include details of the company's directors. No shareholder details need to be filed publicly, meaning ownership can be kept confidential. An Isle of Man company is a good option as an offshore vehicle. It offers the benefits of a UK company without the tax liability. Isle of Man companies are less likely to run into trouble with banks and other counterparties as it's considered a well-regulated jurisdiction despite the offshore benefits it offers. For anyone trading in Europe, it may be difficult to beat the advantages of an Isle of Man company. Would you like to have safe, hidden, and untouchable wealth? Your Wealth Fortress is a free report from Liberty Mundo that will show you how you can protect your assets. You'll learn unique and valuable strategies for keeping your assets untouchable and untrackable by anyone. You could have millions, even billions of dollars, and nobody would know it, find it, or touch it. Not with a team of the best global lawyers, not with the most powerful government on their side. And when you die, it will pass quietly, unnoticed, and untaxed to your heirs. It's all detailed in our special report titled Your Wealth Fortress: Bulletproof Structures to Protect Your Assets. Please follow the link in the description to get instant access and start implementing the strategies to protect your assets.